Welcome to the Ultimate Food Showdown. Today, we're putting AI against a human chef. Can you guess who made these dishes? Let's dive in.
Dish number one is a sushi burger. But wait, is this an AI-generated dish, or did a human chef create it? Cast your vote now.
Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
This sushi burger was created by AI. Fun fact, AI designs are trending in futuristic food presentations.
Dish number two is a chocolate samosa with smoke. Is this an AI experiment gone wild, or a chef's creative twist? What do you think?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
This smoky chocolate samosa was created by AI. Fun fact, liquid nitrogen desserts are becoming popular worldwide.
Close your eyes, take a chance. Every clue's a dance. Fork and fire, tech and trance. They all share a glance.
Dish number 3 is glow-in-the-dark pizza. Could this be real? Who do you think made it? AI or a human chef?
Hand to hand, dish to the light. The place in sight, place in sight. AI's twist or chef
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
This glowing pizza was imagined by AI. While humans haven't cracked edible glow-in-the-dark cheese yet, it might not be far off.
How many did you guess correctly? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more crazy food challenges.